YouTubers, here we go again. We have another special Amazon Prime unboxing to do. You guys can check them out. My Amazon affiliate link will be down below. Click on that link, see what other goodies they have to offer besides this item. But if you like this item, add it to your cart now. Check out so they can ship this to you fast. Hopefully you guys had a good day. Everybody is safe. And oh man, this month is zooming by. Can't believe it's almost October. Fall season is here. October is around the corner. Halloween, Turkey Day, and then Santa Claus will be here. So you might want to jump ahead now. Start looking for gifts and stuff like that. And let Santa know you need one of these. Coming from Rocat. Nope, Redragon. Redragon. The Aatrox gaming mouse. RGB backlight. 2 ergonomic thumb buttons. Whoa. Alright. This is nice. Maybe get a gift for your gaming buddy online. You never know. Or you can always buy one and do a giveaway. Whatnot. And then see how this looks. And we'll test it out on the PC. Box is empty. Redragon. Good company though. They got a lot of good computer accessories. Mouse. Wow. This thing is huge. Feels good though. Got the Redragon right there. Tons of buttons right here. Definitely a gaming mouse. Nice feel to it. They got the slides right here. And back there. Feels good. USB, gold plated, big ballin'. So we'll test it out. Not game wise, but just normal use. I don't have any games on my PC. I'm more into the good old Xbox. So, but I used to do a lot of gaming on the PC back in the day, like Leisure Suit Larry and all those type of games. The fun stuff back then. But now I'm sure it's crazier. But it's been a long time since I played a PC game. Nice, nice. But yeah, this is nice. See how that is. Right there. Yeah, 8 slots right there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. They feel good too. Definitely comfortable. And then there's this top there. There's a couple buttons. Alright, can't wait to plug her in. Alright guys, we got it plugged in. Check out this RGB action. And everywhere glowing. We'll turn off the lights right now. Ooh, even at the bottom it glows. Oh yeah. It's smooth. Like I say, you could program your hotkeys, I guess. Everything clicks good. It's not even uncomfortable. This is really comfortable, guys. Especially you get a thumb rest. Right there's a thumb rest. Oops. Oh yeah, this is nice. I'm liking this feeling, guys. So, take a chance, guys. All you gotta do is click that link down below. Get yourself 1 or 2. Always good to have a backup just in case. Check out that glow. So, Redragon, you guys are good. Definitely check them out. See how the bottom looks. Oh, that's pretty cool. feel like I'm in Tron. But there you go. Redragon. Alright, YouTubers. You guys be safe. Have a good weekend. Take it easy.